I'm Mark Gasper, and I'm with Lutron Electronics. We manufacture dimmers, switches, lighting control, shading control, and these are very popular with homeowners because they allow you to set a nice mood within the home as well as save energy. So when you go from 100%, for instance, down to 50%, you're going to save 40% on your electric bill. So that's one aspect, is controlling the lighting, and we can do that on an individual switch or control an entire room or even control an entire residence. We are also heavily involved in window shades. So that is actually the biggest light source of all. It's also the only one that's free. So there are times when you want to keep the glare out of your house. There are other times, like what they do here at Wilshire Audio, where you're having movies and home theaters where you want to totally black out, make it totally black in that room so you don't have any glare on the screens. So we have shade systems that do that. All right, what I'd like to show you here is one of our Lutron systems that is very popular called our Radio Raw. That is a system that can be installed in both new construction as well as retrofit. The key to this one is each individual dimmer or switch that you have in the house has its own radio antenna in it. So right now the entire house is lit up, but if I'm going to go to sleep at night, what I'd like to do is just hit one button and shut the whole house down. So with a press of a button on what we call a master keypad, I can turn the whole house off and go to sleep. Another big concern that homeowners have is security. So if there is a break-in or a panic situation, you're going to have a security system, and I'm going to simulate what happens when the security system activates. So the house right now, fairly dark, but if the security system is triggered, notice the lights in the main part of the house go on to full, and we flash the exterior, hopefully scaring off the burglar or at least letting your neighbors see that there's some kind of panic or some situation going on that needs attention.